at Executive Director offers this business plan is get $650, and then that team override every time I sign somebody up, and then the difference between your level and my level is $525. Listen, you don't even have to understand all this. The money is always there. And like I was saying, become an associate. It's a one-time investment of $99. That is a special. Because when I got started, it was $249. But get the independence, get the flexibility to set your own hours, get the income opportunities, and get the residual income for the lifetime of the business. And it's a willable book of business. And just align yourself with mentors and we have a success system that's set up for you to be successful. So, and also there's an overhead cost to running any business. It's $24.95. And I know you business owners are out there going, are you kidding me right now? $25 to run a business every month? And you're getting all the websites already maintained. You got 700 employees up at the corporate office helping you out. You don't have to hire them. You don't have to fire them. You're getting all these trainings. Listen, get started today. Protect yourself and your family. Protect your small business. Become an associate. We need help. We need more boots on the ground. We need to get these services out to people. Now, I want to thank you guys for allowing me to